Welcome back. Today's session is 3-43. We're going to just call it Turn with Lotus Kick. So in our last session, we finished up with Ride the Tiger. So that's where we're going to pick up today, and we actually do it in this direction in the form. So that's where I'm going to pick up. And I'm going to do it all in one motion. Okay, so now let's break that down. I want you to notice how I transfer my weight when I do the turn. I'm on this line, and then I'm going to rotate over to that line. So now let's focus on the feet, and this is a little tricky. If you can't spin on one foot and get there, you can certainly just transfer your weight from one foot to the other and get there as comfortably as you can. So when we're here, this steps over, and you spin and pivot on the ball of your foot. But if you can't do that from here, you can just step over, transfer the weight, then shift the right foot, then shift the left foot, then bring the right foot, settle it down, and then turn the left foot. However many times that you need to get to where the left heel is on this yellow line and the right toe is on this yellow line, that's what you need to practice doing. You can get there alternating feet, or as I said, if you can pivot on one foot, by all means, twist and spin. But you'll notice that I'm not staying on this green line. All right, I'm not staying here and spinning and turning and staying on this green line. I'm having the left foot in front. The left foot crosses over and ends up here on the right, this right railroad track or yellow line. That's the goal. You're going to have to practice traveling from the left railroad track to the right railroad track, taking as many steps as you need. So that's the footwork, crossing over. All right, now let's talk about the hands, because there's a lot of shifting with the hands. Again, we're focusing on the wrists and making sure that those stay supple and moving. Keep flexibility in your wrists. So as we came over here, stepped over, right about here, to be clear, my right palm is up, my left palm is down. Right about here, the right hand switches down and the left palm switches up. And then as you come around, I'm facing this wall, the left hand points down. There's a lot going on there. Let's go over that one more time. Right palm up, left palm down. Right palm down, left palm up. Just as you pass this 7 o'clock mark, the left hand comes around, and then you end up here with both palms down. When I go to the side in a minute, you'll see that my arms are not even. My left hand is behind my right hand. But that's what that looks like facing this direction. So now let's do it facing the east, or 3 o'clock. Okay, I am on this front yellow line, and I'm going to travel over to that green line. Here, right palm up, left palm down. Stepping over towards this back line, rotating around, I'm on this green line, right toe on the green line, left heel on the green line. And now you can better see that my hands are not side by side. Palms are down. This is about even with my elbow, my right elbow. Left hand even with the right elbow. The right hand is out further here. All right, let's do that to the back. We just finished riding the tiger. That right hand comes down, palm up as that left hand goes back. All the weight's in the right leg. My left toe is down on this yellow line here. Good. I'm looking behind me. I'm looking over my left shoulder. Then as I turn, there we go, right palm down, left palm up. As I rotate, and now both palms are down. Good. Now we're going to do it facing this wall, and we're going to focus on the breath. We just finished riding the tiger with the breath out. This was the breath out. Good. Now you're going to breathe in, and then after you step, the breath out is here, 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 and when you land, that's the end of the breath out. Again, left hand is by the elbow, right arm is more forward, left heel is on the yellow line, right toe is on this front yellow line. All right, and that's the turn. Now, the other part of this is the lotus kick. So after we've finished the turn, and we're on this line here, you're going to keep your weight in that left leg. You're going to bring your right knee up and bring your toe up, and you're going to bring it across underneath your right arm. So that right knee comes up towards the left hand, pull the right toe up, lotus kick, and bring it down. And then you're in holding the ball again. I'll do that towards the front. You've just finished with your hands here, both palms down. That right knee goes up towards the palm of the left hand, and you're picking up your toe. It comes underneath the right hand and then comes down. My toe will be even with my left heel. And I'm not opening the hips here. I'm just bringing the toe down. I've got my feet almost in a V, and I've collected my hands into a ball. Now we're going to do it towards this wall. So we've just finished. We're going to be on the same line, left heel, right toe, right hand further out, left hand even with the elbow here. Both hands are palm down, picking up the right knee towards the left palm. With the toe up, you come underneath the right arm, and then the right toe comes down. So my right toe is close to my left heel, and that right hand comes down, and I'm holding the ball. Notice I'm at an angle here. I'm not holding the ball towards the 3 o'clock or east position. I'm at an angle, but my head is looking towards the 3 o'clock or the east position. All right, let's do that to the back. Here we are. Left foot, left heel on the green line, right toe on the green line. Both palms down. Right knee comes up towards the left palm, toe extended up, kicks underneath the right arm, and the toe comes down as the hand comes down. The hands in my chest are pointed at the 45. My head is looking towards this 6 o'clock or south position. Okay, and notice I'm not opening my knees up apart from each other and wide. Still sort of pointing at this 45 degree. So let's do one last one towards the back, and we're going to incorporate the breath and put it all together. We just finished with Ride the Tiger here. Here's the breath in. When you step over, there's the breath out. Breath in, breath out. And there you are, chest at the 45. I am looking at 9 o'clock or the west, but my shoulders, my hips, they're at the 45. Don't have my hands close to my body. I'm holding the ball. All right. So that was 3-43, which is the turn and the lotus kick. Next time we'll be doing 3-44, which is shoot the tiger with the bow. Until next time, have a wonderfully Zen day.